In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Shopify with Wix. First, you'll choose an integration platform. Popular options are Zapier and Integrately. Both let you connect apps without writing code. Zapier is widely used and has many pre-built templates, while Integrately tends to be simpler and can be more budget-friendly for straightforward flows. Visit the provider's website, create an account, and pick the plan that fits the volume of automations you expect. If you're just testing, a free or trial tier is usually fine. Next, set up the automation itself. On your integration platform, choose Wix as the trigger app. Triggers are events that start the automation, like a new contact being added or a new order being placed. Think about what data you actually need synced: customer details, order information, or product updates, and pick the appropriate trigger so you only move relevant information. After selecting the trigger, pick Shopify as the action app. Actions are what happens in response to the trigger. Common actions include creating a customer record, adding a product, or updating an order. Match the action to your business goal. Create customers in Shopify when a Wix contact is created if you want one customer database, or push product updates to Shopify when you change listings in Wix if you manage inventory from Wix. Now connect both accounts by signing in and authorizing the connection. The integration platform will prompt you to log into Wix and Shopify and grant permissions. Pay attention to the scopes requested. These determine what the integration can read or write. Grant only the permissions needed for your workflow, and make sure you're signed into the correct accounts to avoid mixing test and live data. With accounts connected, map the data fields. This means linking specific pieces of data from Wix to the matching fields in Shopify. For example, map Shopify customer email to the Wix contact email, and map name, phone number, and address fields accordingly. Consistent formatting matters. Ensure date formats, phone number styles, and address fields line up to prevent errors. Use sample records to preview the mapping and adjust before going live. Finally, activate the automation to start syncing data. Turn it on, then observe the first few runs in the integration's activity log. Confirm that customers, orders, or product updates appear correctly in Shopify. If you see errors, revisit field mappings and permissions, make adjustments, and retest. As a tip, name your automation clearly and monitor it periodically so you can catch changes in either platform that might require updates. That's everything you need to connect Shopify with Wix smoothly.